was jarring for us is
देखो मैं
that
तो कहता हूँ कि ट्रम्प का बिगेस्ट डिलीवरेबल होगा इंडिया EU FTA. Trump is going to Trump
Bring these disparate
no,
elements
but
together.
it's the now new hyphenation of India and Pakistan that we are seeing. That's something we hadn't seen for a long time, but now it's India.
There
and
are two
Pakistan
people who
being
are
talked
determined to hyphenate India and Pakistan. One is Donald Trump, and the other is Indians themselves. दुनिया में और कोई नहीं hyphenate कर रहा. You know, if you go to Europe, boss, they want to do trade. They want to do a deal with you.
Yeah.
They want to talk about defense partnerships. They want to talk about IMEC. They want to talk about technology. They want to talk about the French president makes Prime Minister Modi the co-chair of the AI summit, right? The Ursula von der Leyen and commissioners land in India for the first time. Her entire cabinet, that is in some sense cabinet of the EU.
Yes.
Lands in India because for the first time ever. They've never done this with any other country. They want to have a new reset with India. And it's because of China, it's because of Trump, it's because of many other factors. They're looking for options and resilience and additionalities, right? So all over the world, people are looking at you in many ways. The last of those is Pakistan. It is the demand that everyone has to stand in line and use your description of Pakistan, that becomes difficult for partners.
Yeah, they
Do you
have
understand what I'm
their
trying to say?
compulsions, of course.
So,
like Britain.
Like, look, how many times will you sing someone else's song on some other country?
Ireland. We are not going to ask them to give a view on Ireland if we are talking to Britain. Why do we need to?
My point here is,
Or Argentina
I think
at one point of time.
it is an unnecessary expectation that everyone has to sing your tunes.
Huh.
But it is a reality. And it is certainly my experience. And I was in Budapest, I was in Armenia, I was in Munich, I've literally been everywhere in the last 2 months through the programs that we've been hosting. And I can say that all of them have been really and intensely finding ways of deepening ties with India because most of them believe that India offers them resilience because they have choices and offers them additionality because of the growth, which would be beneficial for them. India is a big story in most capitals. India EU FTA today is more likely than ever before. EU is cutting corners to try and accommodate us, something they have refused to do over the last decade. First time they are willing to negotiate certain elements just to bring us on board. So I think we should focus on the real positives that are available to us, consolidate those, and come back to these issues at the right time. You don't have to take everyone along in the same direction all at once at the same time.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.